Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you are first to get my videos. Today I am making beef kebabs for my son. He doesn't like to eat chicken and he makes my life difficult, but hey, today I'm going to give him a little bit of what he likes. So we soak our meat in vinegar and wash it off, and my rice is getting ready to cook. So yeah, we soak everything in either lime, lemon, vinegar, and we wash it off, and after that, I will be cutting it in smaller pieces and seasoning it with salt and Belizean powdered Ricardo, with it, which is I think it's anote. I forget the name of it, but in Spanish. But anyways, anyways, I normally season my meat with black pepper and a few more healthier stuff. But because of what I'm dealing with, black pepper is the worst for me right now. So I'm just cutting them a little bit smaller and then go ahead and season. I made a couple, maybe four kebabs, and then the rest I just kind of cook them, stew them with with the leftover veggies, and give it to him that way. He is a foodie. He loves food, but then he's extremely picky and he only wants to eat steak, beef, and not chicken. If he eats chicken, it's basically fried chicken, orange chicken, chicken McNuggets, stuff like that. So, but here's the salt that I'm using right now. But this is the salt that I will start to be using. I did some research and found this is one of the healthier version of salt. So I have the other one, so I'm gonna finish that first. So that's the black pepper I normally use, but I am not using today. And this is the Belizean red Ricardo. We get it whenever we go to Belize. So, anyways, I'm seasoning my meat, a little bit of salt, and I normally put some turmeric in there as well, but I have to limit my seasoning based on my issue with. So whatever's going on in my brain is affecting my stomach, and eating becomes a problem. Sometimes I can't eat, sometimes I eat, and I'm hungry, and like normally it's 99.9% of food I can eat right now. So I'm just going to be seasoning everything, and normally I like to season my meat from the night before, but this time was just a little packet I seasoned in order to do it for him, because today, which is Saturday, my husband will be grilling for Father's Day, and so Sunday he doesn't have to do any work. So even though it's Father's Day, he's the one that does the barbecue. I just watch and eat. So, anyways, yeah, my son is picky that way. So, he wants to eat, like I said, only steak and beef, and we fight all the time. But I let him know that's not the case. And I'm just washing off my kebab sticks or skewers. I'm washing them off, and yeah, I have to let him know he can't do that. So he's like, "Well, I'm not eating." I was like, "Okay, well, don't eat." So hey, so I was going to that's normally when I cut all my veggies. I wash them in there, but some of these have already been washed because I've used them prior. But just in case, I have it there, and I still do a little quick wash in order to keep my veggies clean. You know, so I don't have any particular way. I'm not teaching you how to make kebabs. I'm just showing you a little quick thing that I made for my son, and leftover. Well, the side steak with the rest of veggies for my hubby. My other son is not a steak or beef. Not a beef or like pork or a person. He's just a chicken person, and he just wants boneless chicken. Any way I make it, he wants it. So he's not a picky kid. He just doesn't eat like any. He's not like, oh, I like, he doesn't care for um like he'll eat a hamburger, but he doesn't care for steaks. So, but that's him. My little one, like I said, I could cook him like Belizean food. He doesn't want it, but if you go to Belize, he will eat it. No, but like now he doesn't. He's like, no, mom, I'm just still won't eat it. It's chicken, I won't eat it. He refused to eat chicken, no matter. Like I said, my husband have to fry it, and we try to eat healthy in this house. But right now, we just start on a keto meal prep that we purchased from a company that advertised in our neighborhood, and he made the delivery. So I ordered 10 of plates of prep food, so he could have one for lunch and one for dinner. So the five is different meals, and then if you order like um, 10 is duplicate you're getting of the same five foods. So instead of eating two of the same food a day, he gets to mix it up. I have him mix it up. But today's the first day he's actually. Hey guys, another thing. I don't have pineapple, but I love 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 pineapple in my kebabs. But again, I can't eat anything that's acidic, because whatever's going on in my head, it makes acid reflux, stomach issues, and whenever I have stomach issues, I have a head issue. So it's like a revolving torture that I'm dealing with right now. Yeah. So yeah. So he ate. He didn't want the barbecue. He hates the barbecue. He doesn't want a steak. He wanted shrimp. He didn't want a lobster. He didn't want anything today. He just want his food. And I'm like, dude, at least dad cooked certain things you like today. At least eat that. But he was being difficult again. So you could give him. So my husband and I said we're gonna trick him, right? We're literally gonna cook the food, pack it inside the containers, and then I'm gonna pretend that they delivered it and give it to him. And I bet you he'll eat it then. But the minute he knows that we prepped it or made it, he won't eat it. And he wants school food. He wants me to stop and get the free school food. And those things are processed food. I mean, I'm grateful that they have it for kids that can't eat, because if they ate, they're probably, you know, but I am trying my best to eat healthy. And the fact that I've been sick for almost a year, it's hard for me to be that mom. I'm a hands-on mom. I'm always getting stuff, new ideas, new healthier stuff. Let's try this. Let's try that. Let's do it. And but right now it's like, oh, there's food. Let's eat it. And but he's willing to try the keto, and in the mornings we give him the breakfast, and then the snack, keto snack. So that's how I'm doing it. I just started today, and we'll see how that works for a week. And we paid. It's $50 for 5 meals and $100 for 10. So we'll see how that works out for him. And so far, he ate two and didn't care much for the barbecue. And like I said, my husband did a lot of barbecue. He did ribs, steak, links, corn, shrimp, lobster. So, anyways, that's how it looked on the skewer. And I am now putting the rest into here, and I will bake them, and then just show you how it comes out. So they were home for almost, well, the whole school year, and I had to deal with, this right here, guys, is my tomato, cilantro, and onion. And I normally have garlic, but right now I can't eat garlic either. And so that's how I blend my veggies in order to marinate my food, so I don't have to chop up everything and da da da. So I blend it, put it in there, and I'll pour it over and let it marinate over. This one marinate overnight, because this was leftover, because I ended up doing a Belizean dish. Well, it's my family Belizean dish. It's two beef and okra. So I did that the next day with this little bit right here that we had. I had one little tray of okra, or okra. We call it okra. Yeah. And so yeah, I had a little bit left, so I just did that a little thing for them the next day, because I didn't want to have too many leftover food. Because when my husband barbecue, my refrigerator is completely packed with seasoned meat and completely packed with trays when he's done. So luckily, my son's prep came today, and I've found a space. I don't know where my husband's gonna find space for his barbecue, but we'll find a way. So it's like, you have a so right now I'm baking it, and this is what it looks like, you guys. He liked it, he ate it. And anyways, this was not for him, it was just for photo's sake. His rice is normally less than that, way less. So anyways, guys, it was kind of good. No, it was good. I didn't eat the kebab. I left it for him, because even though it's exactly the same thing in the other dish, he won't eat it. He'll eat it this way. So it's like, my life. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Take care of your mental health.